Whoa, sick! What the? Let yourself breathe a little bit. All right, guys, we're here today with Julian, and we're gonna help him improve his kickflips.
Yeah.
So you have landed kickflips,
Yeah.
but you wanna get better at them.
Yeah.
First, before you even do that, can I see all of the basics?
Like an ollie?
Yeah, ollie. I'll see what other tricks you got. Good, ollie, looking good, clean.
Yeah.
Frontside 180, you got it?
Yeah.
Good, I love it. Pass.
Oh,
backside 180?
I don't got backside 180.
No?
No.
All the beginners.
I got shove it though.
All the beginners can't backside 180, I swear. Okay, shove it. It's okay, you can't back 180, it's fine. Okay, good. First try. You got front shove?
Front shove?
Yeah.
No, not yet.
No backside 180, no front shove.
Yeah.
So he doesn't have backside 180, doesn't have front shove. So straight to, do you got heel flips?
Nah, not yet.
Yeah, nobody got heel flips.
Yeah.
Although all the SF kids usually have heel flips because they're gangster.
Yeah.
Okay, let me see the kick flip. Okay. We're gonna do this practice step. So stand just like I am. And now go like this. And now with this toe, you have it like pretty well worn there in your shoe.
Yeah.
And now you're gonna go like this with your ankle. Ready? Again. So your knee is high, and then your ankle right here is going to pop up like that.
Yeah.
Do it again. One, we're gonna do it 5 times.
I bet.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, you're gonna pop it, and you're gonna do that same thing and put your front foot on. Front foot only. Good? Now, and again. Good, that was good. Extra flick, double flip. Okay, again. Wow. Okay, now, you know what's next?
Committing?
All you gotta do, commit, but all you gotta do is that exact same thing. Bend your back knee into the air.
Oh yeah, I saw that in the video.
Right? So now, let's see if I can do a kickflip. Pose reveal over here. Just bend the back knee, that's it. Bend the back knee, put it on, you're golden.
I bet.
Bro, first try, you almost landed
Almost had that.
Okay, that's good, that's good. Breathe. Let yourself breathe a little bit.
I bet.
Good. You tend to turn this way.
Oh, yeah.
So this shoulder is dropping a bit.
Yeah.
We want to not do that.
I bet.
We want to try and keep that straight.
I bet.
Okay, that was good. That's better. Okay, now one thing I want to, okay, so what's happening is you're like popping, and then you're like trying to do this like right away.
Yeah.
Give yourself a little time. Like, you want to be able to be like pop, and then flick. Might even try that, like go really slow, extra slow. A little bit more time between the back foot and the front foot.
Like that?
Even more. Bro, your kickflip is high.
Thank you.
Okay, now just go off the board and just go like this. Okay, but now you see your knees?
Yeah.
Bend those knees, bro. Come on, bend the damn knees up. Okay, good. So I'm gonna show you the difference. Like you jump like this. Look at how high my feet are. Good, now watch me jump now. How much higher are my feet?
Like a couple feet.
Literally!
Yeah.
So your board is like this, and your feet are just like right here.
Yeah.
But bend your knees and your feet are gonna be here.
Oh.
And then your board's gonna be there and you got it.
I bet.
Watch this land. First try, right here.
Got that, Julian.
Oh, bro. Nobody saw that one.
No one saw that.
Oh, I told you! Okay, land it. Bro, look at that!
Almost had that.
Okay, you got there's something in the water in San Francisco, because SF kids got pop.
Yeah.
I don't know what it is. Backside flip, let's go!
Thank you.
Okay, watch that shoulder. Watch that shoulder. Keep it straight. Bro! What the? Okay, now we're gonna try and do, this is a challenge.
Yeah.
3 in a row.
I bet.
No pressure, no pressure. Remember, bend those knees. Give yourself space. Give yourself time and space, yeah?
Yeah, I got this.
Yeah, there it is. There it is. Okay, good. Nailed it. Okay, now it's the exact same thing. Remember, keep those knees bent.
I bet.
In the air. Bro, it is right there.
I almost had it.
You're almost like kicking down and like putting your feet down so early that's kicking the board away.
Oh yeah.
Just leave your knees high.
I bet.
Okay, good. Oh, sick. Okay.
Almost landed.
That was good. That was one. I think he's done 3, but that was 1. 2. This is it right here. This is 3 in a row.
You got that, Julian.
Oh no, you landed primo. What the?
I almost had that.
Okay, you got it. You got it.
Oh nah.
Timing. Nobody saw that.
Don't saw that.
Okay, good. 1. The pressure's on, Julian. Just breathe, bro. He's hyperventilating.
I got this.
Yeah. 1. That was sick. I bet you could learn varial flips pretty easy as well.
Yeah.
2. We're counting that 100%.
That counts.
Oh, it's always on the 3rd one. You missed your pop. You gotta get your pop there.
Oh yeah.
Okay, I'll do them with you. You ready?
I bet.
1, 2, 3. Here, let's try and do one in tandem. 1, 2, 3.
I get mine.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, go ahead. 3 in a row. You got it. We believe in you. Believe in yourself. 1. That was so good as well. 2. Oh, nope. He bailed. You had it though. You're getting a lot better, right?
Yeah. I haven't landed this much kickflips in a long time.
Timing. Back foot, then the front foot. You're kicking so early, you're not even letting your tail hit the ground.
Yeah.
So let your tail hit the ground, then drag, then flick. You got time. Breathe. Bro, it looks so good.
Almost had that.
Yeah. You want to do the 3 in a row?
Sure.
Okay, go ahead. Because you don't have to if you don't want to. I could probably teach you varial flips as well.
Can we get a video of us doing the kickflip at the same time?
Okay, yeah.
Because I think get 3 in a row is too hard.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh.
1, 2, 3. Oh, let's go! Good job.
Thank you so much.
Okay, so now we went through a lot. We went through the timing, the flick, we went through bending the knees.
Yeah.
But now there's a lot of people out there that have never landed a kickflip.
Yeah.
So tell them, like for you, what helped so they can learn.
For me, landing the kickflip easier, you have to let the board pop first, give it some time, and then you have to flick it, and then you just have to have the confidence to commit and land both feet.
So good, you guys got this. I know you can land your kickflips. Each and every single one of you out there can land a kickflip. If you want personal skateboard instruction, join the Braille Skateboarding Academy. I will personally teach you every single trick. No matter where you live in the world, this is for you. Braille Skateboarding Academy. Click the link below to sign up and I'll see you there.